Today, we're going to learn about the liaison rule in Korean. The liaison rule means that when a syllable ends with a final consonant batchim and the next syllable begins with a vowel, the final consonant moves forward and is read as the next syllable's initial sound. The letter iung at the start of a syllable is silent, so you can think of it as making room for the vowel. Applying this is very simple. First, check whether the first syllable has a final consonant. Then, check whether the next syllable begins with a vowel, that is, with an initial iung. If it does, carry the final consonant over and read it at the start of the next syllable. For example, in baber, the syllable pop ends in biup, and the next syllable begins with the silent iung. So the liaison applies, and we pronounce it, 밥을. Another example is 고치. It has a final consonant, and the next syllable begins with the silent iung. So we read it as 고치. If you pause in the middle, the liaison is cut off. So try to read smoothly without stopping. The key point is simple. When the next syllable starts with a vowel, move the final consonant forward and read the word smoothly. Keep that in mind, and you'll be fine. Now, try reading the following words.
밥을 꽃이 옷이 값이 읽어 밟아 좋은 많은 낮이 집에
Great job today. See you in the next lesson.